So hey guys, in this video I am making some firefly effects. Go to layer and create a new layer. Just select a brush and select this brush, and now increase its size. Select a color yellow. Control T. Right click and select burp. Go to burp option and select a arc first. Press enter. Go to layer and create a duplicate layer and go to blending option. Select it solve. Now opacity 7 and fill 20. Now create a new layer and going select brush, select this brush and create some fireflies here. Now go to layer and select all layer. Right click and merge layer. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.